Alright, so we're going to change out these bleeder valves on the 17Zs. These are an 11 mil. These bad boys are tight. So if they're tight, we have to give them a whack like that, like I just did. Oil pouring out, it's fine. Paint chip right there. I want to get that in there. Mess that up after. So these are the valves again. This end goes like this over this. Lift up. Pull over. Okay. Try to get this flat side up, which is the best. Okay, and then this will cover like this. And then you can screw it in just like that. Okay. I don't put the lid on all the way tight because these caps are fresh and new and they're a pain in the ass to come off. So, snug, cap up, cap on, bang, good to go. Alright, one side done. Now onto the side. First I'll have this one ready so I can just pop that off quickly. Pop it off quickly and then be good to go. Cap on a little bit. Let's remove this bad boy again. Probably going to have to whack it up again because that one was tight. There we go. Dun, dun, dun. Bleeder done. New bleeder in. Got air bubbles coming out. There we go. I have to tilt it to the side to get it in. A little pain in the ass, that's fine. That's fine. You're going to lose some brake fluid when you do this, so you can expect that to happen. Alright, well, we got that there. Of course, you don't want brake fluid on your nice fresh paint, but good thing I'll be coating mine again. Tight, stiff, good in a hurry. Alright, so we got new bleeders. See, nice fresh new bleeders. A+. Okay, so there's the part number again for the bleeder. There's a crossover tube. Give this video a thumbs up. Thanks for watching. Peace out. Bye.